In this question, you have to identify the correct match for disease and its symptoms. Option A, tetany, high level causing rapid spasms. It is incorrect. Tetany is caused by low calcium levels in the body, not high levels, and it results in rapid spasms or involuntary muscle contractions. Option B, myasthenia gravis, genetic disorder resulting in weakening and paralysis of skeletal muscle. It is incorrect. Myasthenia gravis is an autoimmune disorder, not a genetic disorder, and it leads to the weakening and fatigue of skeletal muscles due to impaired communication between nerves and muscles. Option C, muscular dystrophy, an autoimmune disorder causing progressive degeneration of skeletal muscle. It is incorrect. Muscular dystrophy is a genetic disorder, not an autoimmune disorder. It causes the progressive degeneration of skeletal muscles due to defects in muscle proteins. Option D, arthritis, inflamed joints. Now, arthritis refers to the inflammation of joints causing pain, swelling, and stiffness. Hence, it is the correct option.